Unscrew the 24mm nut. This is the internal taper. This is the expanding sleeve. Taper thread with the 24mm nut. To insert the tool into the tube, unscrew the 24mm nut like that, so the internal taper is loose, and then it'll slide into the tube. Tighten with a 30mm ring spanner or adjustable wrench. Then 24mm ring spanner or a smaller adjustable wrench. Tighten, and then with the 30mm ring spanner you can loosen the tube. And take out. To remove the tool from the tube, hold the 30mm nut and loosen the 24mm internal taper nut. All the way to the end, and then either with a hammer or a piece of wood like that, and then you can slide it out.